This video demonstrates how to use the oven safely. Pupils need to learn how to use the oven safely to avoid burns and scalds. Check the recipe in advance to see if the oven needs to be preheated.
Turn on the oven and set to the temperature you need. For example, 200 degrees centigrade or gas mark 6.
There are many types of ovens used in schools. Become familiar with the ovens in the food room. Check that shelves are set at the right height in the oven.
To get the best results, let the oven heat up before you knead it. Open the oven door and, wearing oven gloves, slide the tray or dish onto the shelf you want.
Pupils should wear oven gloves placing food into and taking food out of the oven. Check your school policy for risk assessment, first aid and dealing with accidents. Ensure that you know and follow the school policy on dealing with and reporting any accidents, such as cuts and burns.
When the food is cooked, open the oven door and remove it, wearing oven gloves.
Ensure that ovens are turned off and that cookers are switched off at the end of the lesson. Top tips. Check that ovens are working and the shelves are set at the correct height. Remind pupils about preheating the oven to the correct temperature at the start of the lesson if necessary. Ensure pupils wear oven gloves.